Hello, and welcome to Working with Inner Joins. In this video, we will learn about joining two tables to create a result set. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the SQL syntax to join two or more tables and interpret the result set. A simple select statement retrieves data from one or more columns from a single table. The next level of complexity is retrieving data from two or more tables. This is referred to as joining tables. A join combines the rows from two or more tables based on a relationship between certain columns in these tables. There are two types of table joins, inner join and outer join. The most common type of join is the inner join. An inner join matches the results from two tables and displays only the result set that matches the criteria specified in the query. An inner join returns only the rows that match. Based on our simplified library database model, if we want to check the names of people who have borrowed a book, this information is split between two tables. We need to find the names of people from the borrower table who are listed in the loan table, so we need to identify the relationship between the two tables. We do this by identifying a column in each table to link the tables. In this example, we do this by matching the borrower ID. Notice that the column Borrower ID exists in both the borrower table as the primary key and the loan table as the foreign key. A primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table. A foreign key is a set of columns referring to a primary key of another table. We use the inner join operator to match occurrences of the borrower ID in the borrower table with occurrences of the borrower ID in the loan table. This is the syntax of the select statement for an inner join. In the from clause, we identify the borrower table as B and the loan table as L. For this join, we select borrower ID, last name, and country from the borrower table, and borrower ID and loan date from the loan table, on the condition that the borrower ID in the borrower table is equal to the borrower ID in the loan table. Notice that in this join, each column name is prefixed with either the letter B or L. In SQL, this prefix is referred to as an alias. Using an alias is much easier than rewriting the whole table name. And here is the result set. The result set shows the rows from both tables that have the same borrower ID. So far, we have seen an example of combining two tables. But what if you need to combine data from three or more different tables? You simply add new joins to the SQL statement. For example, we want to know which borrowers have a book on loan, but we also want to know which copy of the book they have. This is how the three tables relate to each other. In this case, we join the tables two by two. First, we join the information from the borrower table and the loan table where the borrower IDs match. Then, we join the information from the loan table and the copy table where the copy IDs match. We select the last name from the borrower table, the copy ID from the loan table, and the status from the copy table. And here is the result set. We see the name of the borrower, the ID of each book, and the status they have. There are 5 books on loan. If you wanted to add more tables, you simply add new joins to the SQL statement. Now you can explain the SQL syntax to join two or more tables and interpret the result set. Thanks for watching this video.